Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy AM coming to you with a special unboxing video. This unboxing is Black Friday edition. So the coolest thing that you could pick up during Black Friday is this blacked out Quip. This is black on black on black on black. So you know what that means. You'll be brushing teeth with style. And it looks super cool because it's black on 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 black. Stay tuned for this cool unboxing video. See you in a bit. Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy AM coming to you with this unboxing video. We have the Knife of Destiny. Shout out to my cousin for giving me this knife. Super sharp, super cool, ready to go. We'll be unboxing this Quip black on 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 toothbrush. I picked this up for Black Friday. The only cool thing you can pick up, which is this black on 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 toothbrush. This is made by Quip. We have the front of the box. This is the toothbrush right here. It's an electric toothbrush special edition, all black metal, which means it's black on 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 black. And then what it does is it gives you a timed sonic vibrating brush, which means that it gives you up to 2 minutes of vibration to let you know how much you should brush your teeth. Here we have the multi-use mount and travel cover. And then we also got free brush and head refill. You have to sign up for the Quip subscription and they'll give you more heads for you to brush your teeth. Here on the back of the box we have more specifics. We got the sonic vibration, the handle, 3-much charge, multi-use, and tells you what's inside. But what we're going to do is open this box to see what we have inside. So we're going to cut that top open, flip it to the back side and cut that open. So this should just come out automatically. Oh, okay, so we'll just do it like this. Since we have everything ready to go, we'll just pull this open and see what we have inside. This unboxing experience has been pretty dope. Nothing else inside except for the top. Toss that over there. Move it out of frame so we can see what we have here. How refreshing! So this is a 3-month head that we have here. This is all the unboxing that's available for us. Pretty nifty. It says subscribe to get 1 free refill and a lifetime warranty. So let's pull that off. We have oh, don't look at that. There's a code on the back. By the time you read this video, the code will be redeemed, so you won't be able to steal my brush head. You hear that, everybody? Don't steal anything. We have a travel cover. It's all black. Pop this sucker open and pull it out. Woohoo! What we have here is the black on black on black edition. Peel that open to pull it out. Oh my gosh. This is the most sexiest thing I've ever seen in my life. That's so cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so sexy. That is black on black on black on black on black. This is the only thing I picked up for Black Friday, which is super awesome. Just kidding, we also picked up another thing. You'll see that in another unboxing video. But this is like one of 2 things that we picked up for Black Friday. You press the key right here and it turns on the vibration. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's vibrating right now. Let me put it close so you can hear. Hopefully that picks up on the microphone. But the cool thing is we have the black head with this black handle. That is the sexiest toothbrush you've ever seen. Look at that. That is sexy. Black Friday. Target, $40 plus a free $10 gift card. So basically it's 30 bucks. That's super sick. Here on the back, we have the travel case. And then we also got the stand that you can just tape onto your mirror. And you can hold the case and available. Oh, I hit the camera. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. But what I wanted to do is just take the tape off so you can see what it looks like. So that is the Quip holder. You put that on your mirror as such. And there's your brush. And then what we have here is the Quip travel case. So you stick that in there and you just tighten that up, and then you take this with you as you travel. It's pretty nifty, right? I think so too. So this is basically the Quip unboxing. If you don't have one of these toothbrush, pick it up. I recommend it fully because I think this is the most dopest thing you can get on Black Friday. Black on black on black on black on black. Peace.